Hello students, welcome to Toppscholars. Students, today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, and that is balanced and unbalanced forces. In simple words, if you call the balanced force, a balanced force is a force which when acts on a body which is at rest, it does not change the motion of the body, or you can also call it as the body remains to be in a state of rest. Means whenever there are balanced forces acting on a body which is at rest, there is no change in motion. For example, if I am considering a box kept on a table which is stationary, there are two forces acting on that block. What are the two forces? The first one will be the weight of the body, and the second one will be the normal reaction. What will be? The weight of the body or the gravitational force which will be acting vertically downwards, and the normal reaction which would be acting vertically upwards. So these two forces will be balancing each other, and hence there won't be any unbalanced force, or you can call it as there is no external unbalanced force acting on the box.
To learn more about this topic, download Toppscholars app.